Thank God. I was just coming from the kitchen. You didn't serve my food. Why now? I'm very hungry. I need my food.
I'm sorry, but there is no food for you.
I'm not in the mood for joke. I'm very tired and I'm very hungry. I need my food now.
The prince instructed that there will be no food for you till 7 p.m.
The prince did what?
Gave the order.
Why? I have not done anything wrong.
I don't know. No.
Huh? You don't. What is all this now? What is all this? Firstly, he instructed the chief of palace guard to entrust me with all the house chores, while the rest of the maids play away their time. As if that wasn't enough, now this, Since I woke up this morning, I've been working, it's almost 3 p.m. I've not had anything. I'm very hungry. Anyway, they saw it coming and they decided to stay. No problem. Tell your prince to keep his food. I don't even need it. I won't eat and I will not die. Don't need
it. Girls, this doesn't make sense at all. Why would the prince ask us to stay idle while Adoma does all the palace chores? It doesn't make sense.
We are only obeying the last order. That's all.
I just wish there's something I can do about it. I just wish so.
Well, all I can wish her is the strength to go through this path she has chosen.
It's past 7 p.m. I've not had anything. The priest made sure I did all the house chores by myself.
What? Wait. You mean you've not eaten anything at all since today?
Nothing.
God of mercy. This is not good.
No. This is inhuman. This is just the height of it. This is the height of it.
The chef bought dinner.
And she has been looking for you everywhere to give yours. I am not interested in their food. No, Adoma. Don't allow these to get a better part of you. You need to eat your food. You know why all these are happening and you chose this for yourself. Don't inflict more punishment on yourself. Please.
No, you have to eat. You have to eat. You can't keep starving yourself.
I'll be looking for you. This is your food.
Please, keep your food. I'm not interested.
I was only obeying an order from above. Take your food, Beacon.
And I said I don't want now. I don't want. Are you going to force me?
Okay.
Don't worry. Bring it.
I'm not the prince that said to starve you. And you don't expect me to disobey the prince and lose my job.
Please go.
Adoma, please. You need to eat. You need food. You've been starving since morning.
Man shall not live by bread alone. The master said it in the Bible and he confirmed it when he fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. So I will not die.
On your that thing. Put that side down. Adoma, you and I know that you are not the master.
Yes.
You are Adoma. Okay? So you have to eat your food.
There is no amount of persuasion that will come from you girls that will make me change my mind about this food. I will not eat. In fact, I've lost my appetite. I'm not hungry.
Well, if you don't eat your food, then I'll never eat in this palace again until you eat.
Me too.
Me too.
Yes.
Let all of us go on hunger strike. Yes, that way the queen will hear it and she will ask questions. Sorry.
I will order of Osa. Osa, Adoma. And you know I like food. You know I like food. We'll have Osa, Adoma.
Who is that? Who the hell is that?
My prince, I am the one, chef. My prince, there is a problem.
A problem? Did you say there is a problem? What problem is that?
Prince, Adoma refused to eat tonight.
Is that the problem? Huh? I don't understand. If she refuses to eat tonight, she should die of hunger. What do you mean there is a problem?
The other ladies returned their food. They said they will no longer eat in the palace till Adoma eats. And Adoma said that she will no longer eat again. So the queen asked her why.
What?
If the queen hears that I starve her today, she won't be happy with me. And I don't want to lose my job.
It's okay. Go. Go. I know what to do. Yes, leave. Now.
I tried all I could to avert the prince's punishment. But at the end of the day, he's the prince. I'm sorry for what you went through today. I'm sorry for everything. My hands were tied. I couldn't do anything.
No. Don't be sorry, Jide. I am not mad at you. You were only doing your job.
I have decided to quit this job.
Why? Huh?
Because I can't stand the kind of treatment given to you. It's not proper.
Jide, listen to me carefully. Whatever I'm going through right now is my choice. It's my decision to remain here. You can't lose such a good job because of me. Why?
Look, Ada, I'm battling with my conscience.
Just tell your conscience that you did not do me any wrong. I can't can't even be angry with you. Look at me. How? Please.
Look, honestly, I wish you were born with a silver spoon in your mouth. I wish you have everything it takes. Look, I'm not only leaving the job because of the ill treatment you're getting. I'm leaving this job so I can free you from this bondage.
How do you mean?
Sometimes I wish you were born with a silver spoon. I know you're taking all these excesses because you're from a poor home. But no, you don't deserve to be here. You deserve better. You're brought up from a responsible home. You are responsible. Okay, in this palace now, all the maidens have slept with the prince. But you stood your ground against all odds. Which means you're responsible. You don't need to be here.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you.
Ada, you deserve all the love in this world. You deserve everything nice and good. I want to travel to the city to seek for greener pastures. I pray that God will bless me. And when He blesses me, I will come here and take you out of here. You don't deserve to be here. You deserve a man who will be there for you, a man that will worship you for who you are. Allow me to be that man. I want to take you out of this suffering. Allow me to be that man that will clean your tears.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Okay. I'm going to miss you.
It's going to be over soon, okay?
So why do you want to quit your job?
My queen, is a decision I took for a very long time now.
Why would you take such a decision? Such a harsh and hasty decision?
It's just what I want, my queen.
Listen, son. To me, you are no longer a servant here. You have been a very loyal one at that. Even from the time my husband was alive. You're more or less like my son. If there is anything that is not pleasing to you, if you think there's a problem, talk to me. And we will discuss it as mother and son. What is the problem?
My queen, there is nothing to talk about. I just want to resign.
Is it the prince?
Queen, please, I want to leave.
Okay. Since you have decided to leave, do whatever that pleases you.
Sorry, my queen, please. Permit me to take my leave.
Something is definitely wrong.
Mother, I do not know why he chose to leave. Well, you can leave now. I can.
Did you have problem with him or any other palace servant?
Mother, how will I have a problem with them? Huh? If any of them chooses to mess up, I will put them in their place. Huh? I am the prince of the land. I will have a problem with a mere palace servant? No, that's not possible.
You know, deep down inside of me, I know that Jide's resignation has everything to do with you.
Mother, you are now making me to feel bad. Eh? Jide is a grown-up. He can make decisions for himself. Eh? Why is that bothering you? If he chooses to leave, then fine. He should go. What we should be thinking about is how to get a replacement, someone that is fit to replace him. Not pointing fingers.
Ada, the queen is now the one that wants to see you. I actually want us to talk.
Hey.
So the queen has finally given the permission for me to leave. She even gave me 2 months salary. So I want to take one and give you one.
No. Why would you do a thing like that? I don't need money for anything here.
Okay, then tell me your address. I can go give it to your parents on your behalf.
Look, no. You need the money. You're the man. Just leave me out of it.
No, this is from my mind, okay? It's not like I'm giving you my salary. It's just a bonus. I want to give it to you. You're going to need it as well.
So, why are you giving it to me? Why?
Because I know the only reason why you're still working here, irrespective of the treatments, the negative things the prince has been doing to you, the insults, everything is because of money. I know if you have your way, you will leave this palace. So you're taking all these excesses because you don't have money. Okay? So please, this is from my heart. If I have money, I will give everything to you. I don't mind.
Jide, why are you this kind to me?
Because your type is rare. You are the prayer point of most men. Your attitude is different. Okay, look, at this age, you are still a virgin. You have a good character, you're kind.
How did you know that?
Because I overheard when the prince said that.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you both.
Look, just tell me your address. Let me go give it to your parents. You don't have to say no. It's from my mind. Please. I'm going, okay? I promise it won't be long. I will make it and come take you away from here. You don't deserve to be here.
I'm going to miss you. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you. Just hang on.
Hey! What's going on here? Oh, really? So you are having an affair with her under my nose? Is that what you are doing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, really? So it's because of him, huh? Okay.
Why here? Please leave this. Just hang up, okay? Very fast. To take you away from here.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Yes.
She lied to me that she was a virgin. She didn't give in to my advances. Meanwhile, she has been doing it with a palace servant. My own palace servant. I've never been humiliated all my life. The palace maid chose a palace servant over me. No, this is not happening. He is leaving. Yes, he will leave this palace because I told him to change the work roster in order to give her all the workload. He didn't do that. He didn't want to do that because they are dating. In my own palace, it's not possible. The girl couldn't have another. A palace servant is having her under my nose. No, this is crazy. I will not take it. I will so deal with her.
My name is Jide. I come from the palace.
You work in the palace?
Yes, sir.
The same palace where my daughter works?
Yes, sir. Good day, ma'am.
Did you say the palace?
Yes, ma'am.
What about my daughter? I hope all is well with her.
Oh, yes, of course. All is well with her, ma'am. I came with good news.
Ah, thank God.
Don't be quick to thank God, my wife. Let us hear the good news he came with.
Okay.
Young man, what good news have you brought for us?
Your daughter gave me this money to bring for you people.
What is that?
Money to bring for you people.
My son, there must be a mistake. My daughter couldn't have sent that money. It's barely 2 weeks since she sent us her salary. And she sent us everything. She can't send this amount of money again. I don't know. There must be a mistake.
No, sir. There is no mistake. Actually, the queen is a bonus payment from the queen. She told me to bring it for you people.
Wait, young man. You mean this money is from the queen?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. But please, I hope my daughter has been of good behavior. I hope this money is not stolen money in any way.
Oh, no, not at all, sir. Of course, you should know the daughter you gave birth to. She can never do such a thing. You should thank God for the blessing God gave to you. Your daughter can never take what is not hers.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry. She's of good behavior.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Nah, God bless you. Oh.
Thank you, ma.
Please, when you go, greet my daughter for me.
Of course I will. Alright, bye. I'll take my leave now.
Bye-bye.
Greet her. Greet our daughter for us.
Okay, sir.
Tell her we miss her.
What were you doing with that low life when I got you red-handed?
Nothing.
Did you say nothing? Did you say nothing? I caught you red-handed and you're saying nothing.
It was just a harmless hug. A goodbye hug.
Oh, really? A harmless hug when I saw you caressing, smooshing, and romancing him.
Hey, romancing? No. Nothing of such happened.
Hey, shut up! I saw you with my eyes. I saw you, right?
My prince, it's not true. It didn't happen like.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. You lied to me. You lied to me that you're a virgin. I didn't even know that you're packaging this your nonsense body to a low life like you.
My prince, none of this ever happened.
Right? Shut up! Shut up! You could not allow me have you. You could not allow me have a taste of this your smelling nonsense couch. You could not allow me have you. You could not allow me have you. You package yourself to that low life.
My prince, let's even just say that these insinuations of yours is true. Is anything wrong with that? It's my body and I can give it to whomever I choose to.
What? You didn't say that to me, right? Did you say that to me?
I'm sorry, but it's the truth.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Super nice. In that case, I'm going to have a taste of you this minute.
Huh?
You heard me loud and clear, and I don't take no as an answer. I'm going to have you.
No, my
Shut up!
Wait!
Shut up! Where's that?
Could it be that the prince was trying to force himself on the girl? That same girl.
My mother is not a fool. I could have read her countenance. Yes, she's already suspecting me and I must act fast. I must act fast now to clear her mind of all doubts. Yes, that girl has vowed never to let me have her. The more I try, the more she resists me. The more she tries to implicate me. I must act very fast before it's too late.
Omo, life hard for this city, oh. Life hard. See this one. You are the one saying this. I'm still wondering why you will leave a well-paid job in the palace and come to the city to suffer. You eat in the same kitchen with the king and get paid at the end of the month, practically doing nothing by standing and sitting in the palace. Does it mean that without palace, I no go fit make am? Is my destiny inside that palace? Some people they still come for this, like Ikengu's son. How many months did he stay in the city and he bought cars, bought land. Oh boy, forget that thing. Is it that I cannot make it here? See, the only people that you're telling me I'm missing something in the village, I miss something in the village. That's what you are thinking, but listen, the only people that make quick money and live in big houses in the city are Yahoo boys and politicians. If you are not one of them, oh boy, forget them. So you mean someone cannot do genuine business again and still make money? There's some businessmen that is doing genuine business, yes, and not a village. Yes, I know, but the only legitimate means of business right now is the Igbo apprenticeship. And that one is not easy. It's not a quickie something that you just go and make money. You have to serve your master for about 6 to 7 years. And after that 7 years, he will now have to settle you before you now have to go into your own business. So you see, it's not easy. Well, me, I believe that sometimes connection, or at all now, you serve the person for 1 year or 2 years. You understand the business and then generate more. Anyway, I understand it's not even easy. Okay, you are talking about yourself. Who you think will take you as an apprentice? You're already an old man. I'm telling you, nobody will take you. It's not even about that one. It's to find connection. Sometimes it's connection. You enter a city you don't know, and before you know it, you just get the right or two people that will tell you, okay, this is it though. You know, that's what we are asking God. I'm seeing the connection now. You are sitting on top of the connection. This guy. I'm telling you, you're on top of the connection. You need to that back, sharp participant.
No need to hide. I've seen you. I hide this. I have to go and get now. No need to hide. I've seen you.
But I'm not hiding.
I thought you wanted to hide.
No. Why should I hide?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. Kedu came.
You shouldn't be asking me Kedu come because you know I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all now.
So what is the problem?
How can I discuss something of that nature with you people? You promised to get back to me, only for you people to start avoiding me. It's not fair now.
No, nobody's avoiding you. The truth of the matter is that your mother has scare leg.
How do you mean my mother has scare leg?
It has scare leg. It's something that I need to explain to you very well. It has scare leg.
Okay, fine. Can we look for a place where we can sit and talk about it?
Okay, no problem.
Let's go, sir.
You see, my son, I'm not supposed to be telling you this. But since it happened this way, I must reveal everything to you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You see, we went to the unknown as we promised you.
Yes, sir.
But the unknown pulled our ears that we should not dare mention this to anybody because of the implications involved.
How now? What implication, Ichie? I don't understand.
Let me break it down for you. The royal family, the queen, and in the entire royal family, they will not like to hear this because they will believe that anybody who is bringing up this story is trying to usurp their authority, and at the same time is trying to deprive the prince from ascending the throne of his father.
But it is true now. Eh? It is true.
You see, it's very, very difficult to enter into this matter like this. The whole thing is straight in your eyes, but it doesn't go that way. That's why I told you that the whole matter has K-leg. Because had it been the king is alive, it would have been easier. He would have either admit, and if he admits that your story is true, then he will order for DNA test. But now that the king is not alive, it's difficult. So I rather advise you to allow the matter to be buried.
So I should allow the matter to be buried?
That is my suggestion as an elder. And also, I'm giving you this advice, useful advice for that matter, that you should not allow this story to reach the queen or the son for your own life and for your own safety. That's my advice to you.
God! I know you can see me. I know you can hear me. I was not the one who brought myself into this world. If truly that what my mother told me was true, let the palace, let the entire community come looking for me in their own accord. I know you can hear me. I know you can hear me.
The prince sends for you.
Tell him I'm busy.
You didn't say that, did you?
I already know why he's calling. So just tell him I'm not coming.
Anyway, you say you should meet him at the queen's chamber.
Queen's chamber?
You heard me right.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright.
Prince chamber. My prince. My prince. My prince, I'm here. My prince. What's going on? No one is answering. Your Majesty.
What are you doing here?
The prince sent for me, my queen.
So all of a sudden you do not know your way to his room?
Actually, he asked me to meet him in your chamber, my queen.
The prince said you should wait for him in my chamber?
Yes, my queen.
You're out of your mind. Get out of my presence!
Mother, this is my room, and I'm an adult. You didn't knock before coming in.
Why would you ask a maid to wait for you in my chamber?
Excuse me?
Excuse you what? Oh, please. Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about.
But I do not know what you're talking about, Mother.
You didn't tell any girl to wait for you in my room?
Any girl? Which girl are you talking about? I mean...
Maid Adoma.
Maid Adoma. She said I asked her to come and meet me in your chamber?
You did not tell her to wait for you there?
And why would I tell her to wait for me in your chamber when I have a room here? I did not.
What did you tell me about Neltv?
Your Majesty, the prince asked me to see him in your chamber.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Very sure, my queen.
Can you repeat this in the presence of the prince?
1,000 times over, my queen.
Call him for me.
Yes, my queen.
Tell him that I said he should meet me here and now.
Okay.
coming. Did you tell him that I said it is here and now?
Yes, my queen.
What are you sent for?
Adoma, repeat what you told me.
Yes, my queen. I was here mopping the floor when the head of the palace servants came, Jude, and told me that the prince wanted to see me in your chamber, my queen.
I don't get it. I wanted to see you in the queen's chamber for what? You said Jude said that to you?
Yes.
1 minute. Jude! Jude!
My priest.
Go.
My priest. My priest.
Yes. Can you repeat what you just said?
Yes, my prince. I was here mopping. Jude came and told me that the prince, you wanted to see me in the queen's chamber.
Which Jude? Is it me?
Yes, you. You came here. Have you forgotten? You came here a while ago and said that the prince wanted to see me in the queen's chamber.
Me? No, you must be dreaming.
Jehovah. Are you trying to deny it?
My prince, I don't know what she's talking about. Since morning, I have never left my duty post.
What are you saying? My queen, he said it. He came here and said it.
Don't know what.
Who said what?
Let me see. Where did you get that thing? The royal ornament? Goodness. Your Majesty.
I was in our room when Adoma here ran into the room and hid something in her bag before running out. I was so curious of her action that I had to search her bag immediately she left. And I found those.
Ha! Ha!
You stole the royal ornament?
No! Hi! No, I didn't steal anything. What is going on? My queen, I don't understand what is happening. I was here mopping and he came and told me that the prince wanted to see me in your room. I didn't steal anything.
What happened? Tell me, what happened?
This
Azuka
is so unbelievable.
I didn't steal my queen. I'm not...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You had the guts. You stole the royal ornament and you are still talking nonsense with this your fake tears.
I was mopping.
Mother, did you say it?
Still, Azuka, hey!
Shut up!
Enough! Everybody should leave.
Yes, just.
Adoma, stay back. I ask you again, and for the last time, how did the royal ornaments get to your bag? And what were you doing in my room?
Your Majesty, I can swear before any deity, I have never seen this royal ornament in my life, except for now that Azuka brought it. And everything I told you about the prince and servant Jude is the truth.
You see, sometimes when I listen to you talk, I want to believe that you are honest and innocent. But as the days roll by, the truth glares on my face. My son was right after all. You're possessed by evil spirits. And that is why you do some things you do that you would say you wouldn't know when you did them. Well, I now understand why your family was banished from your kingdom. The penalty for what you did is death by hanging. But I'll spare your life just because you are not from this kingdom. Go to your room, pack your things, and leave. Tell your parents I wouldn't want to see them anywhere close to this village. If I do, they will not like what I'll do to them. Leave.
Thank you, my queen.
Azuka, swear by the gods that you saw that ornament in her bag. Swear! Azuka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself for allowing yourself to be used by Prince to achieve his wicked plans. Ochakomaka, at least she is better than you. Far, far, far better than you. What else do you know how to be in this palace? Other than to open your leg and close it. Nya, it's a hair savannah. It's a chair savannah. You should be ashamed of yourself.
What exactly is going on here? Huh? Are the three of you ganging up against me now? Because I don't understand it. Like, I don't get what is going on here. You. Chioma. You know what they're mono. Eh? You think you have mouth to talk to me? Eh? So you think that the only thing I do in this palace is to open and close my savannah? Okay? Eh. You think I don't know your story? I know everything about you. The prince has told me he has opened your chapter for me. I have read it in and out. The reason he stopped you from coming to open your savannah for him is because it stinks. As for you, I know you. You don't like good things. You don't like good things at all. That is the reason you chose Jude over Prince. Eh? I know your story. On your way. Nobody wants you. The prince, the servants, heaven and earth don't want you. I don't care. I do not care about all these things you are saying. Because what I want is my happiness. You can crown me the queen, the minister of enjoyment, of happiness. Do whatever makes you happy. I don't care. Have I ever complained about your attitude? Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! Let me enjoy my life. Do whatever makes you happy and leave me alone. Leave me alone! Leave me!
You're so shameless. You're evil. So shameless.
Virgin Maria, you should just turn around. Turn around, go to the backyard and pick your dirty belongings there. I have thrown them out.
You know you're like sisters, right? And I will miss you. I will miss you too.
Why are you this wicked?
This actor, after she stole from the queen's jewelries.
Oh no, Adoma can never do such a thing. I know her too well.
It's true, me too. I used to see her as this decent girl. Never knew she's a thief.
Oh, shut up. What dare you call her that? Adoma can never, ever do such a thing. She can never take what is not hers.
Oh.
I'm sure this is the handwork of the prince. The prince hated her all because she refused to allow herself turn to a sex toy. But very soon, Nemesis will catch up with them. Rubbish.